Keith Thurman, Adrian Broner, at Ricardo Mayorga. Ilan lamang ang mga boksingero na yan sa mga pinakanakakainis na kalaban dito sa mundo ng boxing. At sa sobrang kayabangan nga ng mga ito ay maraming mga boxing fans ang gumagastos talaga sa pagbili ng tiket para lamang makitang matalo at magulpi ang mga hambog na boksingerong ito. At priceless nga naman ang pakiramdam sa tuwing nakikitang nagugulpi at natatalo ang mga mayayabang na ito. Katulad na lamang sa nangyari dito sa kalaban ni Manny na si Keith Thurman. Bago ang laban ay kung ano-anong pang-aasar at pang-iinsulto ang mga sinabi nito dito sa ating pabansang kamao. Pero pagdating sa gabi ng laban ay tinuruan ni Pacman itong hambog na si Keith Thurman ng isang leksyon na kailanman ay hindi niya makakalimutan.
Round 1, scheduled for 12. 10 by Thurman so far, Pacquiao at 6. And Thurman started pressing, and there we go. Ooh, there's a nice right hand, but Pacquiao comes right back.
That's a tall order. One thing about me when I was fighting, I never bet on myself. Although I was very confident in myself, but I never bet on myself.
Manny Pacquiao. Oh, down goes Thurman!
And let me tell you, that was just a quick punch. And Manny Pacquiao moved in with his legs and his hands and caught Thurman backing up. Thurman thought he could back.
If I were his coach, trying to keep the pressure on his hand. Oh, good count. Oh boy, it was a headbutt. Either that or a punch, but it may have been a headbutt. I missed it.
Sings pride to the Philippines, the ageless wonder.
At ang pangalawa naman sa pinakahambog na boksingero ay itong Amerikanong si Adrian Broner. Taong 2013 nang kanyang dinepensa ang kanyang titulo sa isang taga-Argentina na si Marcos Maidana. Bago ang laban ay napakataas ng kumpiyansa nitong undefeated na world champion, kung saan ay sobrang yabang at napaka-arogante nito sa kalaban niyang boksingero. Pero sa gabi ng laban ay bugbog sarado ang inabot nito sa mga kamay nitong si El Chino at pinatikim sa kanya nitong si Marcos Maidana ang kanyang kauna-unahang kabiguan sa kanyang professional na karera.
The bell and round 1. And he swarms Broner along the ropes. So with the right hand, Maidana off to a very quick start here. Rear, a couple of left hooks to the body by Maidana, a couple of right uppercuts, the last one just grazing the chin. Maidana continues to walk Broner down, catching a lot of those punches.
Confident in doing that, he's gonna have to get it.
Oh, wow. First of 2 rounds, and there's the right hand lead by Maidana that sticks another right hand. Broner goes down for the first time.
Forget about surviving. If Broner gets by this, we're gonna see what kind of character he has.
Oh, and the lefts and rights by Maidana. Bruno Florence call that a knockout punch by Maidana. Another right hand by Maidana.
And again, that left hook landed. Broner went to.
That's absolutely intentional.
Look at how his arms are locked up, though. Those are wrestling tactics.
Yes.
I mean, Lawrence Cole, I understand it's a well-deserved point.
Chopping right hand, a left hook to the body, left hook upstairs. Broner trying to hold on. The crowd is going for San Antonio.
Again in difficulty. It's the way to both the body and the head through most of this round. So holding and hitting by Maidana down early. That left hook created the knockdown.
The new champion of the world.
At ang pangatlo naman sa isa sa pinakamayabang na boksingero sa buong kasaysayan ay walang iba kundi itong binansagang El Matador na si Ricardo Mayorga. Buwan ng Mayo, taong 2006 nang idinepensa ng defending world champion noon na si Ricardo Mayorga ang kanyang WBC Junior Middleweight World Title kontra sa boxing superstar noon na si Oscar De La Hoya. At kagaya sa inaasahan ay katakot-takot na pambabastos at pang-iinsulto ang ginawa nitong si Mayorga dito kay Oscar De La Hoya, kung saan ay nadamay pa nga ang asawa nito na ininsulto nitong si Ricardo. Kaya naman galit na galit itong si Oscar De La Hoya at pinangako nito na ina-knockout niya ang hambog na si Ricardo Mayorga. Kaya naman sa gabi ng laban ay sa unang round pa lang ay bumulagta na itong mayabang na Nicaraguan.
Takes a left hook.
It's our time to shine. Show us the kind of state of mind you gotta combine with hard work and time. You gotta climb to the top. Don't let yourself drop to your heart stops. Let this beat rock. Got a new clock and a new stock for this new rock. Just let your mind loose from the new stock. Drunk off the goose hit, thinking that I'm too drunk. Getting caught with a few thoughts, cause I'm too boss. Speakers steady and handily. Beyond what I got, no brakes will drain my energy, and I will never stop. I'm motivated by enemies, setting up shop, so everybody remember me. So let me break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up, I ain't never giving up. Taking that crown from you. I ain't worried about you. So let me break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up, I ain't never giving up. Taking that crown from you. I ain't worried about you. I ain't here to make it.
Same thing again.
I ain't never slowing down. Keep on going till I'm down.
Well, again, I did not think a knockout was possible for De La Hoya here. He gets the knockout in the 6th round. He gets it incidentally 2 rounds earlier than Trinidad.
I'm somewhat surprised.
And this is the end of the fight.
Like a weapon. Attack with
This
no
is what
questions.
prompted Jay
In my
Nagin
own
to say
section, and they still disconnected because their
as
minds
De La
been
Hoya
infected,
landed
and they're
just
filled
enough
with
of these
objection.
punches.
Too filled with recollection, so we're losing all
Just enough of
attention.
the
And I
punches
know
by
I'm in
throwing
contention because I'm
straight.
gaining their
By
attention, because I'm
continuing to
making a
throw them
connection.
straight.
Lyricism
He
and
got enough
aggression got
leather
me
on
feeling
Mayorga
my
to
ascension. In
convince
my
Jay
passion,
Nagin.
my profession, I'm attacking my obsession, taking action and
Again, this
progressing.
is what he did to Cortez in the 12th. This is what he did to Vargas in the 11th. This is what Oscar De La Hoya does when he thinks he smells knockout.
See, you can't predict my tendencies. I offer no transparency. Some people think I'm lost. I'm just gonna be a legend. I'm never gonna stop till I'm one above section. And my thoughts at the top of my mind stay present. Don't let your dreams.
At sa kasalukuyang panahon ay mayroong isang boksingero na sumusunod sa mga yapak ng mga hambog na ito. At ito nga ay walang iba kundi ang boksingerong si Rolando Rolly Romero, ang dating WBA Junior Welterweight World Champion. Kamakailan lang ay lumaban ito kontra sa pambato ng Mexico na si Isaac Pitbull Cruz, kung saan ay kaliwat kanan ang pangmamaliit at pangungutya ang ginagawa nito dito sa Mexicano. Bagay na hindi pinalampas nitong si Isaac Pitbull Cruz. Kaya naman sa gabi ng laban ay katakot-takot na parusa ang pinarana sa kanya nitong mas maliit na boksingerong hinahamak niya. At para naman makataya kayo sa mga paparating na mga laro ng mga paborito ninyong team sa NBA at ng mga bigating laban sa boxing, ay gamitin lang ang 1xBet, ang pinakalehitimong online betting site sa buong mundo, kung saan pwede ka ditong tumaya at manalo ng malaking pera habang nasa bahay lang. Mag-register ka lang gamit ang iyong mobile number at gamitin lamang ang ating promo code na BoxBTV para makakuha kayo ng up to 5,000 pesos na bonus sa una mong deposito. Kung magkano yung dineposit mo, ay ganun din yung amount na makukuha mo. Mas madali na rin ang mag-cash in at mag-cash out dito gamit lang ang GCash o Paymaya at iba pa. Kaya naman ano pang inaantay mo? I-click mo na ang link sa comment section para magrehistro. Tara at muli nating balikan kung papaanong nasatisfy ng husto ang mga tao matapos nilang makitang madurog at magulpe ang hambog na boksingerong si Rolando Romero.
A lot of people thought he lost that fight. He just got hit. He just got rocked by Cruz. Cruz looking to drop Romero here in the first round. Romero's on inline skates. From 135, Cruz has brought the power.
On top of the head, and he has still...
As we go to round 2. Left hook, right hand, Cruz.
Make him get him uncomfortable.
1, 2, oh, right hand.
And
Won't work. Well, based on what they said, everything's...
There's Romero winding
still on his feet.
We begin.
Because you're going to feel that he's going to be landing.
Left hook to the catapult left by Cruz. There's a left hook to the head by Romero. Body upstairs with the meeting. Oh, nice left flinch. Less than a minute left in the 7th.
And Cruz threw a counter right hand.
Oh, there's the left right. Romero in trouble along the ropes. Flush shots to the face. Final 20 seconds of the 7th round. Can Romero survive? Huge round for the challenger, Isaac Cruz. I was going to say Rolly's only KO after round 7 was that very questionable crafty combo.
I guarantee
He's out of here.
He's been down twice as we met.
first time Rolly gets in trouble upon doctor's orders.
Mike Davis, Cruz. Oh, left hand upstairs, right hook. Cruz continues to walk down Romero again.
So yun lamang ang video natin sa araw na to. Mag-iwan lamang ng inyong komento at huwag mo sana kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe. At i-share na rin ang ating video. At muli, daghang salamat.